Hey, go. That's right, folks. It's Uptown Swing.
And that's what we did today.
Yes, learn that someday. Okay, daughter cameo. So this is level 1 8 count. We are many, many weeks in. You guys are swinging out, looking great. We did a couple new things today, rhythm breaks in particular. Let's show lowdowns. I'm the leader, you're the follower. It goes like this. Ba-boom, ba-bam, ba-boom, ba-bam, ba-boom, ba-bam. With partners, it goes like this. Ba-boom, ba-bam, ba-boom, ba-bam, ba-boom, ba-bam. And then you swing out right afterwards and go right for it. We also did points. Let's do it this way. Points look like this. In, out, in, ba-ba, boom, and we swing it out. We also had the mess around where you're like, I don't know what to do. This is legal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hey, ho. That's good enough. You can do it however you like. And we did a bunch of choices between swing out, circles, and promenades. You did a really good job with that. We worked a little bit on twists today as well.
Yeah, followers, we talked how it's just fancy walking. You want to take a step every time, but you're stepping out and twisting in. So practice this at home. You can hold on to a chair or a railing if you have one. You want to be working from your core, from the middle of you, and twisting around yourself. We'll work on it more next week.
That's on the 1, 2, everybody leaders. We just talked about this. No, kinda, yes. You know what I mean. If you were there, you had to be there. That's it. See you next